You getting anything? Come on! Take a picture!
Take a video!
Huh?
You have cake in your hair.
I do?
Yeah, you really do.
Can you still put the
Can you
cake
eat that
for
cake
hair
right
like
there?
Isaac? Like, favorite hat.
Oh yeah, she put her cake on her head like it was her favorite hat.
Are you getting any of this? Because this is what you do, I think, on granite.
Mine's easy to clean up. The girl has style.
You eating any of it? Oh, look at Zaria. Zahri, look at John.
Zaria. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi.
Why is Zahri always wearing a bib?
Because she slobbers a lot. Or else her outfits would be wet.
You're actually doing a very good job.
So when did she get open her presents?
After cake. After we do
I don't know where you're sending everything.
Bye-bye, Zari. Zaria.
Just take a
Zaria.
picture of her hand.
Zari. Zaria.
Zari. John.
Zari.